Want to get the best pricing on your Bluehost web hosting purchase? Then this Bluehost coupon code video is for you. In this Bluehost discount tutorial, I'm going to be providing you with a Bluehost discount, getting you up to 75% off Bluehost hosting, plus a free domain. To take advantage of the Bluehost coupon code discount, just click the link in the description below to be taken to Bluehost, and you'll take advantage of the 75% off Bluehost offer, plus a free domain name. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure. The link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be taken to the Bluehost web hosting page. Click the View Plans button, or scroll down to the Bluehost Plan section. You'll see 3 different plans you can choose from. The basic, you get 75% off, getting web hosting for just $199 a month. The Choice Plus plan, you'll get 75% off, getting hosting for just $399 a month. The e-commerce premium plan, you get 54% off, getting hosting for just $9.95 a month. All Bluehost plans come with free SSL certificates, free domain name, free CDN Cloudflare with Argo Routing, web application firewall, free malware scanning, free site migration tool, WordPress Staging Site, 24/7 support, 30-day money-back guarantee, DDOS Protection, and more. Once you choose a plan you'd like, you'll be on the domain page where you can choose your free domain name. If you aren't sure on a domain name, you can select the Choose Domain Later option, and you can choose your free domain name at a later date. Next, you'll be on the cart page. You'll see your Bluehost hosting plan you chose. From the drop-down, you can select the term you'd like to go with. You get the lowest Bluehost pricing with the 1-year term. You'll see where you can select any additional add-ons if you'd like. You can click the trash can icon to remove any. Click the Continue to Checkout button to proceed. You now want to input your contact information and your account information. Next, choose your payment method and input your payment details. Complete your payment by clicking the Submit Payment button. You've successfully taken advantage of the Bluehost coupon code discount. If you have any questions, get in touch in the comments as I'm here to help you with anything you need. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Bluehost hosting tutorial videos.